Today we are talking about the latest from the United States as the Trump administration weighs travel ban on dozens of countries. The Trump administration is considering issuing sweeping travel restrictions for the citizens of dozens of countries as part of a new ban, according to sources familiar with the matter and an internal memo seen. The memo lists a total of 41 countries divided into 3 separate groups. The first group of 10 countries, including Afghanistan, Iran, Syria, Cuba, and North Korea, among others, would be set for a full visa suspension. In the second group, 5 countries, Eritrea, Haiti, Laos, Myanmar, and South Sudan, would face partial suspensions that would impact tourist and student visas as well as other immigrant visas, with some exceptions. In the third group, a total of 26 countries that includes Belarus, Pakistan, and Turkmenistan, among others, would be considered for a partial suspension of U.S. visa issuance if their governments do not make efforts to address deficiencies within 60 days, the memo said. A third group of countries is under review and may face restrictions if they fail to meet certain undisclosed U.S. requirements. They include Democratic Republic of the Congo, Angola, Bhutan, Chad, St. Lucia, the Republic of the Congo, Sao Tome and Principe, Malawi, Burkina Faso, Equatorial Guinea, Mauritania, Benin, Belarus, Gambia, Vanuatu, Turkmenistan, Sierra Leone, Dominica, St. Kitts and Nevis, East Timor, Pakistan, Cameroon, Cabo Verde, Antigua and Barbuda, Liberia, and Cambodia. A U.S. official speaking on the condition of anonymity cautioned there could be changes on the list and that it was yet to be approved by the administration, including U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio. The move harkens back to President Donald Trump's first-term ban on travelers from 7 majority Muslim nations, a policy that went through several iterations before it was upheld by the Supreme Court in 2018. Trump issued an executive order on January 20th requiring intensified security vetting of any foreigners seeking admission to the U.S. to detect national security threats. That order directed several cabinet members to submit by March 21st a list of countries from which travel should be partly or fully suspended because their vetting and screening information is so deficient. Trump's directive is part of an immigration crackdown that he launched at the start of his second term. He previewed his plan in an October 2023 speech, pledging to restrict people from the Gaza Strip, Libya, Somalia, Syria, Yemen, and anywhere else that threatens the country's security. A leaked internal memo has shocked the global travel community, revealing the possibility of sweeping U.S. travel restrictions affecting citizens from 41 countries. The potential policy, slated for implementation by early 2025, has triggered widespread concern and uncertainty. This news impacts not just tourists but also students, workers, and families with ties to the United States. New U.S. visa restrictions. What we know so far, according to an internal memo obtained by Reuters, the U.S. government is considering a severe travel ban that could take effect as early as 2025. The proposed measures categorize affected countries into 3 groups: full visa suspensions, partial restrictions, and nations at risk of future bans. Global reaction, protests, and diplomatic tensions. The leaked documents have sparked outrage worldwide, with protests erupting in major cities. Global leaders are raising concerns over the potential impact on trade, education, and diplomatic ties. Embassies are seeing a surge in visa applications as travelers rush to secure U.S. entry before the new rules take effect. National security or immigration crackdown? While the U.S. government claims national security as the primary reason for these restrictions, critics argue that the policy disproportionately targets certain regions. Secretary of State Marco Rubio has yet to issue an official statement, leaving millions uncertain about their travel plans. What comes next? The proposal awaits final approval, but all signs indicate it is moving forward. If implemented, this could mark one of the strictest travel bans in U.S. history, affecting families, students, and professionals worldwide. How to prepare for potential U.S. visa change if you are from one of the affected countries. Consider these steps. Monitor updates. Stay informed about the latest developments regarding potential travel restrictions. Alternative travel plans. Consider alternative travel routes or destinations in case the restrictions are implemented. Expedited visa applications. If you are from an affected country, consider expediting any pending visa applications. Seek legal advice. If you have concerns about how the potential restrictions may affect you, consult with an immigration attorney.
With the potential approach of this issue, the global travel landscape could shift dramatically. As discussions continue, travelers and governments alike are bracing for the potential impact of these sweeping visa restrictions. Stay updated as more details emerge about this developing situation. and that draws the curtain on the stunning news from the latest from the United States as the Trump administration weighs travel ban on dozens of countries. If you found this information valuable and you're eager for more most updated information and immigration tips to successfully migrate, then kindly like and share our videos and subscribe to this channel. Then don't forget to hit the notification button to have all our latest videos produced. If you need help, however, with specifics or individualized services in particular, please feel free to contact us by electronic mail and let's create this success story together. Thank you and see you at the next video.